Good day, sir. I am Josephine Rose Alvara from Group 1. So, today I am going to present the our competency-based curriculum. And my members are Bumbita Joy Sidel, Baal Jufel, Baldon April Joy, and Kaganda Jomar. So today, let's begin with the course design. So under the course design, we have course title, nominal duration, qualification level, and course description that located at the section 3, training standards under our training regulation. So first, we have the course title. So just copy the course title, which is the Food and Beverage Services NC3. So however, based from our TR or from our downloaded training regulation, the superseded is not included in our course title. So let's move to the nominal duration. So under our nominal duration, the total hours from basic to core competency is 230 hours. So let's move to the qualification level. Our qualification level is NC3. So under our course description, we copy it from our downloaded training regulation. So our description is, this course is designated to enhance the knowledge, skills, and attitudes of trainee in accordance with the industry standards. It covers the basic, common, and core competencies required for the NC3 level in the delivery and supervision of food and beverage services and various food service facilities. It also covers the core competency on directing and leading service team in the dining area, overseeing a dining operations, and banquet and catering function. Let's move on the trainee entry requirement, which is being copied under the section 3.3. So, first requirement is can communicate in basic English in both oral and written form. Also, must have completed the 10-year basic education. Also, can perform a basic mathematical computation. And lastly, must be competent in the entire food and beverage services and C3 qualification either through training, experiences. Next, we have the course structure from basic to core competency and its number of hour, and it's located at the section 3.1 under the curriculum design of the training regulation. So basically, as shown here at the TR training regulation, we copy it. We do not have the number of hours, so technically we just copied the number of hours from basic to core competency under the section 3.1 in the nominal duration, training duration. So first, under the course structure, we have the unit of competency. So we just copied the unit of competency under our downloaded TR, which is lead workplace communication. That's our first unit of competency. So from our module title, we get it to the first to the unit of competency. We just translated it into action word. Like for example, our first unit competency is lead workplace communication, and our module title we translated it into action word. That's the leading workplace communication. So under our learning outcomes, we just copy paste it from our training regulation. So the learning outcomes in our first unit competency is communicate information about workplace processes. Second is lead workplace discussion. Third is identify and communicate issues arising in the workplace. So, okay, so in basic competency, we have a number of 20 hours. It is being divided and substitute to 6 unit of competency. So we have under basic competency, we have 6 unit of competency, and we divided it to the unit of competency that results for 3 hours each. So let's move to our common competencies. So as I said before, copy paste the unit of competency. So the module title is being translated into action word, and we copy paste the learning outcomes. Like for example, under our common competency, we have the roster staff, which is our first competency, and our module title that we translated into action word is rostering staff. So our learning outcomes under our first competency is to develop and implement staff rosters, and second is to maintain staff records, that we just copy it into our downloaded training regulation. So the nominal duration is 6 hours. So each unit of competency divided into 4 unit of competencies from number of hours, that is 24 hours, that resulted for 6 hours each of unit of competency. Also, let's move for the core competency. So the number of hours, which is 186, is divided into 3 unit of competency. For the nominal duration, the unit of competency are being copied, module title is being translated into action word, and learning outcomes is being copied also from our training regulation. So it ranged from 62 hours each. So as you can see in our presentation under the core competency, the first unit of our competency is direct and lead service team in the dining area restaurant. So our module title is directing and lead service team in the dining area of restaurant. Then let's come now to the assessment method. So in assessment method, we copied at the methodology part of our training regulation, which are the observation, interview, written test, review of documents, oral questioning, direct observation, and case studies. As well as the course delivery, which are the discussion, case study, lecture, simulation, demonstration, hands-on, and video viewing being copied at the methodology part of our downloaded training regulation. And we have the resources. It is being copied from the training regulation located under the section 3.4 list of tools and equipment. We have the dinnerware, cutleries, glassware, other services, other accessories, equipment, ingredients for, and table chairs. Like for example, in the dinnerware, we have the dinner plate, salad plates, and others. And from under the cutleries, we have dinner knife, dinner forks, and salad knives. So under the glassware, we have the red wine glasses and white wine glasses. So under the serviceware, we have coffee pot, teapot, salt and pepper shakers, service trays and silver platters, and many more. So and into our equipment, we have tables and other equipment that use in food and beverage services. So let's move to our training facilities that under 3.5. So under our training facilities, we have as you can see, we have space requirements, size and materials, area and square meters, and total area in square meters. So first, in our space requirements, we have the student trainee working space. So CBC, so competency-based curriculum. So under the food and beverage services NC3 curriculum highlights how competency-based education ensures trainees are not only knowledgeable but also workplace ready. The program is carefully sequenced, beginning with foundational skills in communication, teamwork, negotiation, and problem solving, then progressing to common competencies like rostering staff, managing stock, training small groups, and building businesses relationship. So before culminating in core competencies such as directing service teams, overseeing dining operation, and managing banquets, or catering functions. So these structures highlights the real-world progression of responsibility in the hospitality industry, where technical expertise must be paired with leadership and organizational skills. So the inclusion of varied assessment methods, observation, interview, written tests, and case studies shows a commitment to a holistic evaluation, while the detailed inventory of tools, equipments, and facilities emphasizes the importance of hands-on practice in realistic settings. Moreover, requiring trainers to hold NTTC Level 2 certification and industry experiences ensure that the instruction is grounded in professional standards. So, overall, the curriculum demonstrates that success in food and beverage services depends on a balance of technical proficiency, resource management, and strong interpersonal leadership, preparing graduates not just to serve but to supervise and manage effectively.